So we back. We not gonna let that deter us. So what you doing is we splitting this open. Let's see what these gears looking like. Should have drained gear oil first, but hey, fuck it. We got this loaner engine right here that I bought. Got burned on. So we got this one here. It doesn't look the same either. But I don't know. We're about to see what we can do. Pour this open and get messy. You know what this is? Oh, that won't be it. I was trying to keep these gears together, but let's see if we can work this out somehow. Put y'all right there. There she is. These are not the dial pins. Guess she's out of there. As you can see, missing teeth right there. Alright, we back. It's a little carnage in there. Metal chunks and stuff. I think I just lost the bearing. For real, I wasn't engaging. Let me ask a question. Let me see something and get back at you. Okay, in the inside, I don't know if you can see it, but we lost the gear inside. Without that engaging, nothing's gonna spin. So, this is our forward and reverse. When it's all the way up here, tie it in like this. Let's go forward. And it's rocked all the way back like this. Supposed to be in reverse. These teeth are broken off now. It's like it's broken off too. So we're gonna take that apart and see if we can get some more gears. I'm gonna bring y'all back in. I don't know if y'all can see that in the camera, but just straight teeth. Straight teeth. I don't know if it's supposed to be in here. What? That's the drain right there. Couldn't even see the drain. We gonna get that cleaned out, but I don't know where this came from. I don't know it's supposed to be in there. What? My bearings still intact, working good. We're gonna get it cleaned off. We're gonna pull this gear off there. See. Now we're back. Wait. After a long wait, finally got the part in. Sometime. Let's see if it matches up with this gear. It's always some game. We ordered the other part, but it wasn't the right part. So we had to wait again for this baby right here. Boom. 17 teeth. Transmission. Put my gloves on. Trying to get my hands oily, man. I ain't got no sick in this shop. Anyway. Let's get the surgery going. Yeah. Just old gear right here. Check it out. See her teeth. Grind it up. It's new. All the way from China. Everything looks similar. Yeah, I can see that. It's gonna match up. Let's hope this we can get the baby back rolling. All right. Bring out that. You can see the action is going on right here. Alright. Pull this out, try to get these gears reassembled. Give me a second. Boom. Alright. Then we gotta loosen this nut. Before we can put this ball bearing in to the transmission so it can shift. Goes in the little, goes through there. So you just shifter. The guy say that's when you hear the click in your transmission. That's what the ball is doing. It's moving from the slots right there. And there. So we got to figure that out. And I'll come back. All right, gang. I'm back. As you can see, got it in there. Had to do it the tricky way, cause the little ball you gotta get that. So that what locks the transmission and click the gears. So what I did was, I should have put it on video, but I pushed the ball down because there's a spring right there. So I pushed the ball down and put this shim over top. This is from my shim kit. You know how you adjust your valves. One of them. I got a real thick one, so it wouldn't bend, and used the little hole to hold the ball down in that little hole where the spring go, because I couldn't get that bolt right here. I couldn't get that. I used impact gun and everything. It wouldn't come out. So I compressed the spring down. So I compressed the spring down. But I compressed the ball down on the spring, stuck it in there. I had to use two hands, so stuck it in there like that. Then I pushed this in gently. When I got it locked in, I just pulled this out, and the ball locked in there. That's the way you gotta do it. You can't get that ball loose. Some engineering, but I had to think of how to do it because I couldn't get that ball loose. But it's in there. It's in neutral. Remember, the middle notch in there is neutral. So, but to keep going, reassembling this and get back at you. Now I can give you a better view of what I'm talking about. The little ball down there. The little ball down there. See? And that's why I said I had to stick this in there. Hold it. Then push this in now. I forgot the transmission gear selector. Anyway, this will put your gear from forward, neutral to reverse. Right here you can see how it clicks and stuff. But yeah, I had to hold the ball down on that spring to slide that in. When I got it in place, like I said, I just slid that out and it locked in there. So now I put the shift rod in. This goes to the outside of the transmission, which you connect your shifter to. Right here, you connect your shifter to. So to check it, see, that's what you hear, you shift. that little metal ball clicking from this is neutral right now. Go back to reverse, back to neutral, back to forward. I'm putting it together in neutral. Make sure all your gears and your teeth line up when you're shifting. And you're good. That looks like a little mark right there. Then it's like two little marks right there. I'm guessing that's the lineup mark for it. I'm guessing, I don't know. I'm the black Chinaman. I'm learning as I'm going. But yeah. Yes, sir, skip me back. Get everything buttoned now. Get everything in there. Shift the rod, shift cable. Put the pin down. It's in neutral right now. As far as free spinning. See? Neutral, free spinning. Shift it. It'll turn all this, but see, all that's turning. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All the gears. This is the gear. It's output shaft gear, toe up, chewed up. Transmission gear inside, toe up, chewed up. The only thing I do is button it up, put some gear oil in here, slap it back in the green machine, green lining. So, get back at you.